I lost my job, you guys, when I came back from New York. So I'm on a job hunt. It's my first day on a job hunt. Let's see how long it's gonna take before I get another job. Sucks. Today I have an interview. I'm on my way to the interview right now. Hopefully all goes well, because I've been searching like crazy. Let's pray it goes all good today at the interview, right you guys? I'm just leaving the interview. I got the job. Oh my God. It's been like, what, a week or two with no job? I hate sitting home. I can't stand that shit. I got the job. I have orientation Thursday. So we're gonna go from there. Feels good to know I have a fucking job. But wait till I do the vlog about my experience at the lake with those fucked up fucking security guards, the bosses, whatever they call themselves. I'm gonna tell you all about those motherfuckers. They shady, they grimy, they're frauds, they're perverts. Wait for it. Wait for it. So I have drug tests today, well, in 3 hours. You know how I smoked weed the other day? The little bit of weed I smoked and the one I did in New Orleans with Petty. So I'm scared it might show up in the drug test. I don't even smoke. I don't know. I was nervous, so I took a few puffs, so it might come up in a drug test. Note to self, no smoking even under stress. I'm not even a smoker though no more. Like, not at all. But yeah, I took a few puffs, so this is the consequences for my action. If all this drug test and everything goes smooth sailing, next week I'm gonna go to the gun class. It's an all-day gun class because I need to be armed. I need to learn how to shoot. I know how to shoot. No comment. I need to be licensed. I need to be registered and all the other paperwork fuck shit that America loves so much. And then I can give me a pretty gun, customized or cute or whatever. So if I'm gonna shoot you, I wanna shoot you cute. It's gonna say like Rare Breed Sweetland or some fuck shit like that. I don't know. There's gonna be some colors in it. Maybe red. I have to learn with a Glock, 9mm. I'm excited. You know, my daddy was a cop. So I was raised around guns. And being from Boston, the mean streets of up in Scorner, I know guns all too fucking well. I'm gonna take y'all to that too, to the class. I'm gonna show y'all the gun, the shooting, the teacher. I don't fucking know. Whatever I can get away with vlogging, you know I'm gonna do it. That's in a few days.
Rare breed Sweetland, unpredictable, never scripted. Got an interesting life, you should watch me live it. Let's kick it, hang out through the vlog vivid. Cook, talk shit, and travel new places to visit. Always keep it real, unapologetic. Saucy sensual vibe, no filter, no edit. All people, all races, men, women, LGBTQ. Rock with me and I'ma rock with you. Vibe, Sean Paul, give me the light. Let's have a good time. Express yourself, speak your mind. Fun and outgoing, our color outside the line. You should come and vibe with me. Turned up in the whip, you should take a ride with me. Drink in your cup, go and drink it till it's empty. Vibe, 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 vibe. Come and vibe with me. 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 Vibe, vibe. Come and vibe with me. 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 Vibe, vibe.
So be honest, what do you guys think about that song? Y'all feeling it or not? Just comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling it or not. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Of course, I got my mask on. I didn't get COVID or vaccine. So, trying to stay away from that shit. We're back again, my friends. But this time, we're about to do a little challenge with, I made it up, with pineapple. So first, let me show y'all how I cut a pineapple. You guys, I tried to do the one, I know y'all saw it. You pull all this out. Didn't fucking work for me. I really tried. So I was like, damn, that is fucking cool. But nope, it didn't work for me. So I'm gonna show y'all how I cut this bitch up. Get my biggest knife. Get a board. Grab this bitch. Chop her head off real quick. Okay, I hope I don't chop my own hand off. Okay, chop her head off. I got the best knife. Yep, like that. So, where do we put? Okay, put it in the sink.
Sweetland, unpredictable, never scripted. Got an interesting life, you should watch me live it. Let's kick it, hang out through the vlog vivid. Cook, talk shit, and travel new places to visit.
We're gonna save this. That's why I keep this on it, because I guess, I don't know, in my head it keeps it fresh. So this, we're gonna cut them. First, I'm gonna get like aluminum. I get this. So as I cut them, you know I gotta clean this after because it's driving me insane. So 4, I think we should cut them in 8. Yep, perfect. I think this is more than we bargained for, but can never have too much pineapple. She's good. I hope this is sweet though. You ever buy pineapple thinking it's gonna be sweet and now she's sour as a bitch? Okay. So cut these all up, put them in here because I gotta wash them, and I keep this on it. Oops, I keep this on it so when I hold it, be like this. You know what I mean? And plus we're gonna stand it up cute. You'll see. Don't worry about it. So let's do this one.
Paul, give me the light, let's have a good time. Express yourself, speak your mind. Fun and outgoing, our color outside the line. Yeah. You should come and vibe with me.
So now we're gonna wash them. It's all washed. We're gonna clean this up. This is clean. Now we're gonna grab a plate. We're gonna make this cute. Oh. Well, the idea is for them to stay. Oh, wait. It's supposed to stay. Okay, there you go. For them to stand. So we're going to grab them and go. Wait till you see how many. You guys, I got so many things to try with pineapple. I got the idea of what to put with it from my snappers, my Snapchat. That's why I ask all the questions. That's why I have a lot of followers. And a lot of them is my friends, my family, people that's really close to me. So they be giving me all the corny ideas and they always participate. So, okay, it's sweet. Think this will fit in here? It will not fit. So we have to put it in one of those bodega bags. You know what time it is. You know what's up with the bodega bags. So now we have all this. I'm about to bring out to the setup. So these are the things I'm gonna, this is Louisiana hot sauce. This is so good. Nutella, crushed red peppers, cayenne, black pepper, jalapeno, mustard. And yes, I have a little package of sweet relish. So we're about to put this on this. Oh, and also we're gonna do one with avocado, just to see how it tastes. So y'all ready? Oh God. I'm gonna be honest too. If it tastes good, it tastes good. But if it tastes like shit, it tastes like shit. So which one we're gonna do first? I'm excited about the red crushed peppers. So I'm gonna get the red crushed peppers. I'm gonna grab this. Wait, how am I gonna do this? I don't want it to spill on that. Right? So we're gonna put the little plate in front of us, and then we're gonna grab this. Got some red peppers on it. I don't know if you can see it. This is good. Now let's try the black pepper. I'm gonna grab one. I really like the red peppers, yum. Look at this, like that. Maybe because I like spicy. I don't know. But so far so good, I would do that. So let's try salt. Sweet and salt go together, right? That's what they said, I don't know. That's a negative. Let's try the jalapeno peppers. I need napkin. How do you forget napkin? Okay. Damn it. Ow. Okay, so we're gonna grab one of these jalapenos. And then grab one of these. Yum. That's a negative. Let's try something sweet. Let's try this. Yaka brought me this. It's so good. I eat it. How I eat it, I just scoop it like this and lick the spoon. It's so good. The black seeds is so good. It's passion fruit. So I'm gonna put it on this. This is sweet on sweet, so you can't go wrong. This deserves another one. Pookie, you can't have none. Can puppy eat pineapple? You're gonna die, girl. Wanna try this? It's a plus. Okay. Let's try the Louisiana hot sauce. You want to say hi to Pookie? Pookie, come here. Come say hi to everybody. Come. Where you at? Come on. Come on, mama. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. All right. Okay, Pookie. Get down, girl. You good? All right. She's good. So let's try some Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, it's all drippy drip. It's drip drip. What in the whole fuck? I can't even look at my spit. Ew. What in the whole fuck? Oh no. Oh, I need to eat a pineapple. That is gross. Horrible. Oh my God. Horrific. Let's try with avocado and the red pepper, since I like the red pepper, right? This, oh my God. This should be an hors d'oeuvre. Somewhere expensive or something. It looks expensive. Oh my God. I'm here for it. That's a plus. I'm gonna save the last avocado for if I run into another nasty one. Oh, you guys, let's try Nutella, right? You know, I never had Nutella. It's my first time eating Nutella. My nephew gave me this idea. You know what he said? Nutella and meatballs. I didn't have time to cook all this food to do combo. So I try to make it simple that works in my brain. So I was like, I'll grab a pineapple and then we'll just add shit to the pineapple. Why the fuck I can't open this? Now I cut my nails. I had to take out the gel. I need to let my nail rest. Look at them. Yeah. They look like they're brutal. They need a rest. I've been getting them done every day for like a year now. Time to let them breathe. Ooh. Oh, hell no, wait. I had this before, but not in a Nutella form. I know this taste. I love hazelnut. But I never had Nutella. Oh my God, this is amazing. What the hell fucking fuck is going on? And I get to spread it, so cute. Let me get the side, honey. Woo, let's get the side. Oh, let's get it upside down. Like the whole, I'm such a fat girl. I don't know. Nutella's bomb. Pineapple's bomb. But together, it don't do it for me. I don't know why. It's weird. It's like I like Louisiana hot sauce, but I don't like it on a pineapple. Never again in my life. That's like if you don't like somebody, you feed them that. But okay, Nutella, how you doing? Welcome to my house. We're gonna eat you here. Okay. Let's try. I love mustard. I'm a mustard girl. I love mustard. Especially the Dijon, that spicy mustard. That's what it's called, right? Dijon? That rich people word. Just say spicy mustard. What the fuck? Dijon, je. Whatever. I don't know why, but this, it don't look, it should be, I'm just going to do the tip because I don't know. But okay. Ready? My God, that must, honey, girl, It was so bad. I need plain pineapple. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is, oh my God. I can't even think of a word. I don't think there's a word. Nasty don't cut it. Horrific. Okay. Oh God, this got a big old hole. Let me go easy. This is the red crushed peppers, cayenne pepper, red peppers, all the red pepper family. All right. Okay, come out now. Today will be great. Okay, that's fine. Too spicy. Oh yeah. I'm here for that. Let's do another one. This one's good. It's spicy, but it's not overwhelming like that Louisiana. That should be no dirt. Like, put some pineapples up and just sprinkle red peppers, crushed cayenne pepper. You know what I'm saying? Just black pepper. Just pepper that bitch up. That's what I noticed. Out of all these things, the red peppers, the cayenne peppers, and the black peppers go with the pineapple. Boom. Nutella is good, but not with the pineapple. And the rest, forget about it. Now, the last one, sweet relish. It sounds bad, right? Ew. This was here from the tornado. It came with the tuna fish. That's the only reason why I have it. There's no way I would buy sweet relish package. For how? For what? It's not my grocery list cup of thing. So this is trash. I don't know, guys. This. Okay. It's not gonna kill me though. Okay. There you go. I will never eat it again, but yeah, that's that. So now, let's do what I like. So I enjoyed avocado and the crushed peppers. This is so good. I feel like all the peppers on the plate. I love avocado. I can't give you pineapple. I don't know if it's gonna kill you. And I don't want to find out by you being dead. Because I'm gonna be sad. So that's my my pineapple challenge. It was weird, but it was good and bad. Bye, you guys.
Life, you should watch me live it. Let's kick it, hang out through the vlog vivid. Cook, talk shit, and travel new places to visit. Always keep it real, unapologetic. Saucy, sensual vibe, no filter, no edit. All people, all races, men, women, LGBTQ. Rock with me.